Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to make a toasted coconut and mango salad. So this is the recipe from my book. What you will need is some cherry tomatoes, about 4 or 5, some carrots, 1 lime, mango as well, 1 semi-ripe mango, not too overripe because you don't want it to get too squidgy in your salad. Some salad leaves or baby spinach is fine. Got some honey. Runny honey is great for the dressing with olive oil, and then we've got some coconut. Fresh coconut would be better if you can find it. If not, you can use desiccated coconut, but if you can, find fresh. So first of all, we're going to make the dressing. So we're going to mix in some of the runny honey. To go for like a couple of teaspoons of honey in there, and then just some lime. So I always roll the lime a little bit to get the juices going, because it could be quite stiff otherwise. So we just squeeze the lime in there with the honey, and then add in some olive oil as well, and that's the basis of our dressing. And that's going to go over our salad towards the end, so we don't want to add it in just yet, but mainly probably before you serve the salad. You just want to mix it all up together so it doesn't go again too soggy or anything. So I've just added normal extra virgin olive oil into there, and then just give it a little mix together, and then all of it will just kind of, mix well. The acid from the lime, and you've got the runny honey and the olive oil. There you go. So that's the dressing done. So we're going to assemble our salad. So I've chopped up my tomatoes roughly and carrots, just peeled them and cut them into batons. Doesn't matter if they're not exactly the right shape and sizes, it just adds a bit of extra crunch anyway. So we're going to cut a mango. So the mango is, as you can see, it's not overripe and it's not too underripe, but you can just score your mango flesh like so, and then do again with lines. That's it. And then you can kind of get these really neat cubes. There you go, almost like a hedgehog, and you can kind of just cut them off and add them to your salad. I've done another video about how to do mango cubes, so check that out and see before or after while you do this. There you go. Just kind of just scrape all those extra bits off, and again you're left with the stone in the middle, but the stone is fabulous to eat, so kind of just cut around the edges of the stone and then just keep that, no waste. But yeah, if you do find a slightly underripe mango or green mango would be really good for this, because it'll add a little bit of a sour note and a bit of a crunch to the flavour. That's fine. Just even like papaya as well. Green papaya would work really well. So I've just cut off the sides of the mango like that, score it again in the middle, and then just chop those slices up. There you go. And then that last bit as well. And you've got all your cubes that can go into the salad. So this salad is pretty easy to make, as long as you kind of prep everything beforehand, and you can kind of keep everything separate in the fridge, and then just before serving mix it all together so it's not all sitting in the fridge already mixed for too long. So then you go, the last extra bit would just add in your salad leaves. So I kind of just like chop them up to make them a bit more manageable. Or you can add baby spinach as well, any kind of greens that you fancy in the salad, and then just kind of mix it all up. There we go. It's a really simple summery salad, great with fish or grilled chicken, so really good for barbecue, or with a slice of with some fresh fish, that would be great. So the last bit is the coconut, and so what I've done is I've taken a fresh bit of coconut and then kind of scrape off a little bit of the brown hard edges, and then just There we go. Grate that into a little pan. So you don't need too much coconut. So you've got fresh coconut, and that will go on the hob. So you want to put that on the hob for about 30 seconds to a minute until it gets really lightly toasted and not too burnt, but just slightly toasted to give it a really nice roasted flavour. So there you go. And you just let that cool for a little bit while we're going to dress up our salad. So we add in our dressing, honey, lime and olive oil dressing. There we go. And then just give it a good mix together. This is just before serving, before it goes to the table. There you go. You can see those mango pieces just kind of soak up that dressing, so you want to do this just before you serve it. Then you want to add in after you've done your dressing, you want to add in your toasted coconut. Give it all a good mix. Perfect salad. Just don't forget, if you want, season it again with a bit of salt and some pepper as well if you need. And taste as you go as well. Here we go. And then the final bit is toasted coconut. Just shake it over. There you go. It's just nice and cool. It's not really hot, so we don't want it to kind of add that heat to your salad. We just wanted to give it an extra little bit of a dimension with it being toasted, and a bit of a nutty flavour as well. So perfect. There you go. There's your salad. Done. Ready for dinner.